Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about what are the causes of dog sneezing. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about what are the causes of dog sneezing is www.medicinenet.com. See the page titled Dog Sneezing Causes and Treatments on MedicineNet. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.nativeremedies.com, especially the page Symptoms and Causes of Frequent Sneezing in Cats and Dogs. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 0.r.msn.com. The web page Dog Symptom Center PetMD.com. Here's the link.